Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fifth part of Basic of Pharmaceutical Production, in which we are going to discuss about environmental health and safety compliances. Under this topic, we are going to learn about the hazard and their various different types. Hazard is a term associated with a substance that is likelihood to cause an injury in a given environment or situation. Safety in simple term means freedom from the occurrence of risk or injury or loss. Industrial hazard may be defined as any condition produced by industries that may cause injury or death to personal or loss of product or property. The next term is biological hazard. These are organic substances that present a threat to the health of people and other living organisms. Some examples of biological hazard are mold, fungi, blood, body fluid, sewage, airborne pathogens, harmful plants, animals, and bird dropping, and also bees. Chemical hazard. A chemical can be considered a hazard by virtue of its intrinsic properties. It can cause harm or damage to humans, property, or the environment. Some chemicals occur naturally in certain geological formations, such as random gases or arsenic. Mechanical hazard is any hazard involving a machine or process. Motor vehicles, aircrafts, and airbag pose mechanical hazard. Compressed gases or liquids can also be considered a mechanical hazard. Physical hazard is naturally occurring process that has the potential to create loss or damage. Physical hazard often have both human and natural elements. The next is electrical hazard. It consists of four main types: electrocution, which is fatal; second one is electric shock; third, burn; and fourth is fall, which is caused as a result of contact with electrical energy. Dust hazard. Source of dust hazard in pharmaceutical industries are grinding or milling of drug or herbal product. During weighing, dust may float on the air. During powder mixing, dust may be generated, and coating operations, dust are generated. Also, during capsule filling and tablet packaging operation, dust may be generated. The method of controlling dust is filtration, internal separators, electrostatic separators. Next slide is about fire hazard. Fire hazard are classified into four types: Class A fires, Class B fires, Class C fires, and Class D fires. Class A fire, these are fires in ordinary combustible material such as wood, cloth, paper, etc. Those produce glowing ember. The next Class B fire are those fire which is of flammable petroleum product, liquid gases, and greases. Class C fire involve energized electrical equipment. Class D fire are fire in combustible metals like sodium. Next is the prevention of industrial dermatitis at work. Work cloth should be changed daily for chemicals which dry the skin, such as solvent, moisturizer should be applied daily. If skin problem arises, the worker should report to our supervisor and consult your doctor. PPE kit should be worn to minimize contact with Next one chemicals. Is diagnosis and control of industrial hazard. Firstly, we identify the hazard and then evaluate the risk. Then we determine necessary control and implement control measure, and the last we evaluate the effectiveness of control. Determination of necessary control and implement control measure can be done by engineering control, administrative and work practice control, and personal protective equipment.